What's up guys, today we're gonna be learning how to make these kind of crystals in Blender. So let's begin. So first add an icosphere, scale it up, add a decimate modifier, decimate, scale it down a bit actually, and this looks good to me. May scale it down a bit more, yeah, now it's better. So we've made the crystal. Now let's go to the shading tab, add a new material, put the transmission all the way up, and that and duplicate it, scale down, and add a new material. Let's put a color amp here, color amp, amp, Control Z, shape the gradient texture, then coloring to the factor, press Ctrl T. They have this set up with the Node Wrangler add-on. If you don't have it, go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, Node Wrangler, and enable it. And slip the object into the vector. And put linear into quadratic. Make this color whatever you want. I'm just gonna go with this pinkish color. Add this. Make it Control and put like a white color. Make sure the render engine is set to cycles, and I'll go to rendered view. Yeah, this happens, so I got like it, but let's scale down this just a bit to layout, and alt G, alt R X 20, slip it there, and add a plane. This is the scene, R X 20, and make it 1080 by 1080. Make the thing smaller, and add light, put it up there, scale it, and and RZ, and so we have this done. RZ, and so that's it. Let's make this bigger. Now let's go and render it, and I'll see you when this is done rendering. As you see, this has done rendering and it looks very good. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. I'll see you in the next one. That's caught in the crossfire.